Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Bengali with Faniam. It's great to see you here. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and join our language learning community. In this today's lesson, we are going to learn about subjective pronoun in the Sylheti language and how these pronouns are used in a sentence with example. We all know that in English, the subjective pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, they, and it. I wrote you two times because the first one is for the singular and the second one is for the plural. Let's start from the beginning. And this is I. For I, Sylheti people use the pronoun ami. Ami. I'm also gonna write in Bengali alphabets. If you guys know how to read or in future you have planned to learn it, it's gonna help you more. This is Ami. Okay, now let's look at an example so we can see how it is used in a sentence. I am fine. Ami bala asi. Ami bala asi. Here I is for Ami and fine is for bala and the asi is for am. Although there is something you have to know about be verb in Sylheti language, but just for today, you can take this that asi is the meaning of am. We will discuss about be verb in another video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for all our upcoming lessons. So see in this example, I is giving the meaning of Ami. Now the second one is we. And for we, Sylheti people say Amra. Amra. Remember one thing, this is not Amora, this is Amra. Amra also Bengali and this is standard Bengali, but Amra is Sylheti regional word. And the example is we are fine. Amra bala asi. Amra bala asi. Here Amra is for we. And then first you, what is used for singular. And for this, Sylheti people use three different pronouns. These are tui, tumi, afne. Tui, tumi, afne. Now you have to know the differences. I'm saying, just listen carefully. First one is tui. You can use it with someone who is your close person or your best friend, otherwise not. So, tui is just for best friend or any close person. Then the second one is tumi. You can use it with someone your age or with your older brother, sister or cousins. Just with someone who is older and they're also close like brother, sister or cousins or someone with your same age. But tui and tumi both are the informal pronouns and third one afne is the formal one. When you talk to an honorable person or with your parents, grandparents, so you must say apne. As this is formal word, so you can use this with anyone whenever you are talking with any person in Sylheti language. Now let's go through example. First one is tui and the English sentence is you are fine. Tui bala asot. Tui bala asot. And the second one is tumi. Tumi bala aso. Tumi bala aso. And the final one is afne. Afne bala asoin. Afne bala asoin. You can see some differences at the end of the Sylheti sentence like asot, asi, ase. Actually those are because of subject. When subject are gonna change, the end part of sentence also gonna change. Definitely we will talk about those things in upcoming lessons. And for the plural you, Sylheti people say tumra or afnara. Tumra or afnara. Tumra is informal word and afnara is formal word. Tumra, afnara. Let's see an example. First one is tumra. You are fine. Tumra bala aso. Tumra bala aso. And the formal one is afnara. Afnara bala asoin. Afnara bala asoin. Then he. And for he, The Sylheti pronouns are he or thine. Two pronouns, he is for the informal conversation and thine for the formal conversation. Let's see an example. He is fine. He bala ase. He bala ase. Now thine. Thine bala asoin. And then she, also same. Two pronouns. First one is for informal and the second one is for formal. These are thine, 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 thine. Let's go through example. She is fine. Thai bala ase. Or she is fine. Thine bala asoin. You can see an important thing here, that when the conversation is formal, that time you can use thine for he or she. So for both the word is same and this is thine. But when the conversation is informal, that time for he this is he and for she this is thai. Then they, and for that Sylheti people use thara, thara. Let's see an example. They are fine. Tara bala ase. Tara bala ase. And then eat. And for that, Sylheti people also using different words like ita, ikta. Also some people say igu. Whatever you are saying any word, it will be considered as a Sylheti language. So, what are those? Those are ita, ikta. Ita, ikta. Let's see an example. It is fine. And the Sylheti is ita bala or ita bala ase. Also you can say through using ikta, like ikta bala ase. Okay, so finally we have finished all the subjective pronouns in Sylheti with example. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future lessons on this Sylheti language. And please subscribe my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for being here. Bye for today.